Hello and welcome to this Systeme.io tutorial. In today's video, I will explain how Systeme.io section, row and columns works. So if you are a beginner in Systeme.io, then I will highly recommend you to watch this beginner tutorial of 2 hour long tutorial where you will understand everything you need to know to get started with Systeme.io. And also if you using my affiliate link to open the Systeme.io account, you will get a free premium templates as well. So do check this video. I will put the link in the description. And also if you want to have cool CSS tips and tricks about Systeme.io, do join this Facebook community group where you can ask your questions. I will put the group link in the description as well. So let's get back to the today's video. So today I will explain how Systeme.io section, row and columns work and how we can have the full control over section, column and row. So first of all, if you already using Systeme.io, then you know how to come to this editor, right? So let me add a section here. So first of all, I will add a section here. So inside the section we can have divide the row into columns. So if I wanted to have 3 columns in that row, I can drag the column here and this will be divided into 3 columns. And I can click on that section and I can give individual color for that section. If I scroll down, you can find there is a background color option. I can give it a black color, and also there is a inner background color. What is the inner background? If you change it, you can see this is the color for that particular row. You can also do that. Okay, so I will not do that. So let me go back to this section and let me add some content box. So let me add some heading. Okay, so you can see if I scroll down and I can just give this text color to something white. So you can see this is not working. So let me select it and make it white. Okay, so now you can see the text is showing, and also I can add a few other elements just for the example purpose. So you can see now it is looking good. Okay, so you can see this is how it is looking. So I can do the same for all of those. Okay, so this is the columns. We have divided into 3 columns. We have divided into 3 columns. So let me just duplicate and make the same content for all. Okay, so as you can see, so this is the 3 columns that I have. So now I can have an individual background for those row, for this row, right? So if I click on that row, I can give it a background color. I can give it some sorts of background image, shadow, everything. But if I wanted to give these sections only the heading and button a different color for all of these 3 columns, how I can do that? There is no option. If you see, for giving them individual background color, I wanted to give them white background color for each of these column. So for that you need to take a row inside this column. Okay, then just drag your content to that row. Just drag your content to that row. Now you will find that a row is containing this heading and button. So now click on that row and now scroll down and give a background color of white. Okay, now you can see it is having a background color of white. And also I can give a particular box shadow for this. So give me some box shadow, and also I can give some corner radius of 10, 12, 12 and 12. Okay, so now you can see this have a separate background color. So inside section we have row, and those row divided into multiple columns, and if I wanted the columns to be have a different background color, then I need to drag a row inside this column just like this, and then I will just need to put those content inside those row to have a different color. Now I can select this row and I can give it a different color, maybe black color, maybe red color. So I can just have the full control over those column, having the different kinds of background color, different kinds of box shadow if I wanted to have, and this will make my design to have the opportunity or to have the freedom to control my design if anyone understand this. So this is the overall layout or overall explanation of how section, row and column, and how we can add another row inside those column to make our design popped or to give a different color for those individual columns, because you cannot give a color only for those row if you just taken them. And also if you want to have 6 column, how you can do that? You can take you can take this 2 column here. Now you can see it is divided into 2 column. Now you can insert 3 column into those column 3 and then 3. Now it is become a 6 column row, 6 column. Now it is divided into 6 column. So this is the way to make a 6 column, 2 column, 3 columns, 6 column. And if you just wanted to 1 column, then just take a section here, because by default it is a 1 column. Now you don't have any other column, right? You just only have a row, and inside this row you can put your contents as you like. So this is the overall explanation of section, row, column, and how to insert another section into those column I have explained. So I hope this video helps if you are doing some design inside system.io, and if that helps, do smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, also follow this series of tutorial, follow this series of video of system.io. I hope you will get benefit from it. So thank you very much for watching the video.